So once you're enrolled in one of the module courses, you'll be able to then peruse the different course content available to you. So what you'll do is you'll click either one of these buttons at the top here to be able to get into the portal. So once you get into the portal, this is what you'll see. It'll look a little bit different. You'll notice that all of the courses will be on the left side. You won't be able to access the courses in whatever order you want. You have to go through it one by one, starting with this first introduction video into the program, the module series. So all that you'll do once you're here is just hit the play button on the video. You'll be able to put it to a full screen if you'd like. So now you'll see I finished the video up at the top here, and I'm gonna hit this mark as complete button. And once that has been marked, then you see this check mark populate right at the top left corner here, and it automatically takes you to the first module in the Sport Values program, which is the buddy system. So same thing as what we just did. You'll end up watching the video, but now this time you'll actually be taken to complete the quiz on the buddy system, which is a 4-item quiz for you to answer.